yung mga friends ko, nakita niyo naman sila. Yung hot dates. Parang gusto ko umiyak kanina kasi parang it's so surreal na parang ano ba to? Panaginip ba to? Parang I'm so happy.
Very special moment yung kanina, no? Na parang may yakat na rin eh.
Hindi nga ako makapagsalita kasi parang totoo ba to? Lalo na sila Maui na ang hirap nilang hagilapin, di ba? And Andrea Del Rosario, di ba? Sila Katya lalo. Naiiyak ako because Katya and JC were close and then nag-uusap kami lagi because JC has a Rejuva, di ba? Ang story niyan, siya ang pinakaunang taong nilapitan ko para mag-demo ng ST Max. And siya rin yung unang business na nilabas namin yung ST Max. So parang lahat ng mga bagay na nangyari sa akin, parang feeling ko merong, sabi nga nila, di ba, step by step. Ang success. Sumakses ka, di ba?
What's keeping you busy now in the US?
No, my kids, because my kids are into sports. My daughter plays into volleyball club, and then yung two sons ko are into basketball.
Wow, athletic.
But right now we're here in the Philippines. They joined the Tumakbo tournament. It's a Filipino. It's a Philippine national team in the States. I don't know if you guys know it's a retired PBA player, Tony De La Cruz. He's the head. He's coaching also sometimes my son. Nakakatuwa kasi I have 4 kids, but I'm officially a full-time mom. kaya okay din yung sister ko nandito kasi I wanna be with my kids kasi they're growing so fast.
How long have you been in the US?
17 years. Yeah.
Pero bumabalik-balik po kayo.
Oo, may blue passport na ako, di ba?
Oh.
I don't need visa. I don't need visa. Dati pahirapan, di ba? Every year talaga gusto kong bumalik as much as I can. It's just that yung kids, ayokong iwan eh.
Yeah.
Siguro pag medyo malaki na. And hopefully someday makalaro yung anak ko dito.
Why not?
Gusto ko yung, di ba? Why not?
So you can still see yourself
Yes. Ito ang homeland, diba? Ito ang ating
ano yung pinaka-namimiss mo? Pinaka-namimiss mo
dito sa Pilipinas. Yung siguro ako makapamilya kasi ako yung pamilya ko. Close kasi ako sa mga kapatid ko eh. Tsaka yung parents ko kasi na-petition ko na. So masaya na ako pa rin lang mamatay. Charot!
Backtrack lang sa hindi nakakaalam. So you went to the US because you got married ba?
Yes. And at the same time, I'm also looking forward to achieve my American dream.
Yeah.
So my main business is different in the States.
Pwede po ba siya i-mention?
Home cares na lang. So talagang, at mahal ko rin yung mga caregivers ko, mga kapwa Pilipino. Kaya every time na nakikita nila ako, yung iba talaga kilala ko, talagang pinapakita ko sa kanila, tinuturuan ko sila na mahalin natin yung trabaho. Alam mo sa Amerika, hindi pwedeng maarte, diba? And dumating din ako dun sa, ang inumpisahan ko is naging caregiver ako. Kaya inalam ko yun kasi gusto ko, ang pangarap ko, magkaroon din ng sariling agency or home care. So natupad naman yun. Kaya sinasabi ko, never stop dreaming. Kasi alam mo, kahit na feeling mo, caregiver ka lang, hindi ka lang. Kasi pwede kang maging more than a caregiver.
So nag-caregiver ka pala sa
Yes.
For how long?
For 1 month. Kasi inalam ko yung in and out. Kasi sabi ng asawa ko, kung gusto kong magtayo ng sarili, kailangan alamin mo kasi hindi naman basta-basta.
Ay, you have to.
Yeah, rock bottom.
Business coach, is your husband into business?
And my in-laws. Yeah, my in-laws has been in the industry for many long years. So, kaya
Filipino ba yung husband?
Phil-Am siya. So born and raised in
US,
but pure Filipino.
Iba talaga pag minamahal ng tama.
Oo. Totoo, di ba? Alam mo yan, kayo. Kuya. Sumasakses. Ay, congrats! Thank you. Punang diskarte. Actually, ito yung nakikita namin ng sister kong franchise kasi easier to manage.
So, can you share with us yung dalawang business
Oo nga.
concepts mo?
And paano rin po siya nag-start?
Actually, this is my sister's idea talaga because she's into nails. Ako naman into skincare, diba? And holistic approach, and, you know, therapy and all that. So we both decided to venture together. Kaya nagkaroon kami talaga ng idea, why don't we copy the same palette with the Aura Wellness and Spa? So we did it, and then everybody comes here naman na, especially sa Town and Country Village, doon yun yung madalas na pumupunta dito nagtatanong. So they really like the vibe. Especially the people who work here. Actually, yung iba nga kahit malayo nakatira, gusto nila mag-work dito kasi ang gaang daw ng vibe. Parang gusto mo matulog. Tulog na tayo lahat.
Very social ang vibe.
Oo.
Is this your first beauty and wellness business?
Yes, ito yung one of the biggest project with my sister. Kaya talagang support kami ng sister ko sa isa't isa. And at the same time, yung mga friends ko, nakita niyo naman sila.
Yes.
Yung hot dates. Parang gusto ko umiyak kanina kasi parang it's so surreal na parang ano ba to? Panaginip ba to? Parang I'm so happy.
In background lang kasi you're now based in the US. So how
Yes.
did this happen?
Because of Estemax. We actually distribute Estemax because I use it in the States. I'm a licensed esthetician and I love the idea of this because it's organic and every end of the treatment, talagang yan yung ginagamit ko and all my clients loved it. So, sabi ko, bakit hindi ko kaya dalhin to sa Pilipinas? Kaya sumubok ako.
Ano ba yung Estemax for
Okay, so Estemax is a brand. It's actually originated in Korea. It has been there since 1990s already. And then, the owner actually moved to US and then doon mas nag-distribute siya ng madami. So, Estemax is a hydrogelly mask infused of electrolytes. It's only mixed by water. We could use it in the face, any part of our body, every after the treatment, even with laser. It's actually a good post-care tool.
Question lang, is this something na can only be available here or pwedeng bumili niyan tapos kami yung gagawa sa bahay?
Actually, these jars are only for professionals. So, yes. And then, meron kaming retail na nasa box, nasa spa. Yun yung retail. And it's about 1,500 pesos. It has a package already of spatula, bowl. Kompleto na siya with 2 usage. Yes. So,
And then, you mentioned kanina na yung warm serum you formulated
Yes.
yourself. How was that like?
well, actually,
Ang ganda kasi ng
oo, ang ganda, di ba? When I
Yeah,
tried
it's
it on you,
amazing.
oo. Dapat mamaya, masahin ko kayo. It's actually, I'm into organic as, di ba, as you age, gusto mo na ayaw mo na yung less toxic sa balat. Kasi nag-create ng madaming side effects. So, me and my sister we researched on what can we do uniquely with our venture. So, we created warm serum. But how? Maybe we do it in a candle form para kakaiba. Kasi gusto namin, I love candles eh. So, we ventured in hiring a formulator in the States. And then that formulator helped me to have a great product na magagamit namin sa service. Kasi parang service and warmth. Ganon.
Yeah, vacation na yung vibe.
Vacation, diba?
I can feel it.
Oh.
Very special moment yung kanina, no? Na parang may yakat na rin
Oo.
eh.
Hindi nga ako makapagsalita kasi parang, totoo ba to? Lalo na sila, Maui, na ang hirap nilang hagilapin, di ba? And Andrea Del Rosario, di ba? Sila Katia lalo. Naiiyak ako, because Katia and JC were close, and then nag-uusap kami lagi. Because JC has a Rejuva, di ba? Ang story niyan, siya ang pinakaunang taong nilapitan ko para mag-demo ng Estemax. And siya rin yung unang business na nilabas namin yung Estemax. So parang lahat ng mga bagay na nangyari sa akin, parang feeling ko merong, sabi nga nila, di ba, step by step. Ang success. Sumakses ka, di ba?
So while you're in the US, yung sister mo is here ba?
Yes, she's based here. So she's our CEO. I'm helping more of marketing, promoting, and researching of you know, what are the other ways that we could, promote and then create, kasi we wanted in the long run to be franchised, and at the same time we're aiming for an academy because we do workshops, because as a licensed esthetician nga, I want to help the estheticians here. How can they improve more of their facial techniques, 'di ba? Hindi lang basta nag-extract, 'di ba? Gusto mo rin ng ultimate unique relaxation, pero non-invasive. Baka kasi mag-expect yung mga tao na we're not into laser, we want to invest in the labor. I want to give back to the community that, why not give people a job rather than giving the machine a job, diba? So it's more of like parang empowering other women to be more successful.
Thank you.
Thank you.